Hey PinkLash, how's everybody doing today? I hope great. So I'm back with another video. Yeah, I'm just here to show you guys one of my favorite go-to hairstyles as a natural. I know most of the time here lately, at least you've definitely seen me rocking my blonde wig. But I don't wear that every day. That's my recording wig. Um, I wear it out sometimes. I think I wore it to work one day. Um, but usually when I'm out and about, I'm usually rocking my own hair. I just got through recording or finishing up recording how I stretch my hair. So if you want to see that video, I'll have a link down in the description box for that once it's uploaded. But this is my hair freshly washed. It got washed yesterday. I stretched it. So like I said, if you want to see my technique for stretching my hair, I have a video for that. But right now I'm going to show you one of my favorite go-to hairstyles, and I like doing this hairstyle. It's so easy to do. It looks effortless. If that's the word, however you say it. But it works best on stretched out hair. So my hair is stretched out. I have a little makeshift part down the middle. The part does not have to be perfect, but you do want your part to be clean. And when I say clean, meaning you don't want having hairs from, you know what I'm saying? Because you don't want to accidentally pull hairs that's meant to be over here, because that just cause for breakage. My hair is really actually nice and moisturized because of the technique that I use for stretching my hair. But I'm going to put some oil on my hands, and that just makes it easier for my hands to glide through my hair. I'm also going to use this lovely edge control that I actually found at the Dollar Tree. I showed you guys this a few videos back. This stuff is really nice. Lusty, I believe that's how you say it, and it's shea butter edge gel. I've been using this to pull my hair up in the top knot, and it's been working really well. So I'm going to use that and put that of course around my edges. And then I'm going to take my lovely hair edge brush, which is nothing but an old toothbrush, which I know y'all know all about that probably. Remember back when I was like in middle school, we used to use these toothbrushes to do our baby hairs. So I was talking in another video, well, I think it was a live video. I just went live a little bit ago. I did my makeup live. This makeup look right here, I did that live, so you've probably already seen that if you're subscribed to this channel. If not, then I can put a link to that down below on how I got my makeup like this. Nothing special. But anyways, in that video, I was talking about how I was going to do the video of how I did my makeup in middle school and high school. And so like now I'm sitting here doing my hair. I'm like, I should do a video on how I wore my hair in middle school. Like, I think I'm going to recreate this one look that I can't even believe my mom let me walk out the house with my hair like it is on this particular day, on this picture that I still have. This is my favorite oil. It's by African Royal. It's a hot 6 oil. I just like to take that and put that in my hands, and I'll rub that in real good, really good on my fingertips. Like I said, it helps create a nice slip. And so I'm just going to take 2 pieces of my hair, and I'm just going to start twisting it. And as I go back, I'm going to grab another piece of hair and just continue the process all the way back. And I guess this is called a flat twist, right? We're going to take it all the way back. Come on, brown strap doing here. Alright, then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm just grabbing 2 pieces of hair, like so, and then just starting twisting it. And grabbing a little bit more from behind each time as you work your way back. So now I have 2 twists, and then I like to take them and I twist them together like this. Then I'm going to take a little hair tie. I'm going to wrap them, like basically pulling it into a ponytail. Go-to hairstyles when I'm wearing my own hair out. It's off my face, it's out the way, and it's just easy to do. And then at night, all I have to do is just like tie it down with a scarf, go to bed, and get up, take the scarf off, and go. So if you want to see more videos like this where I show you some of my favorite hairstyles, easy hairstyles, protective hairstyles, then just let me know in the comment section down below. Also, let me know what's your favorite protective style, and let me know and I can maybe try it. Also, I'm always down to try new things. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow me on all my other social media outlets. I'll have the link to all those in the comment section down below. Thank you for being a subscriber if you're already a subscriber. If you're not, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And like always, until next time, stay you, stay beautiful, and stay unique. Bye, guys.
Shine bright like a diamond. 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 Shine bright like a diamond.